How to sign in Gmail account in iPhone. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to sign into your Gmail account easily. So first of all, open the settings app from your home screen on iPhone. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and at the bottom you'll get to see apps option available there and simply tap on the apps. Now, once you tap on the apps, again scroll down in it and look for the mail option available there and simply tap on it. Now tap on the accounts option available at the top. Then tap on the add account. Then simply select Google. Then all you have to do is enter your Gmail email and tap next. Enter your password, then tap next and allow permissions and tap save. Now your Gmail will be synced to your Apple Mail app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.